All right, the next application I'd like to talk about is if you're attaching to vinyl or the old aluminum type sidings. In this situation, you can attach to that and go ahead and lag the ledger to the home like we would in any of the other locations. Same application, we're going to find the studs. We're going to attach to the studs so that we have a solid connection for the ledger by drilling and lagging into each stud between the rafters or whatever layout that lands on. A couple of things we do need to be aware of. Unlike a wood siding, an aluminum or a vinyl siding is something that would crush under the weight of the ledger being lagged to the home. As those lags are tightened in, it would actually crush this and ruin the siding. So we can't make the same type of connection that we would to stucco or wood or a hardy board type siding. With vinyl or aluminum, you're going to need to cut that out of the way. Let's take a look at that. So you would lay out where the ledger goes and actually cut the siding out of the way so that the ledger can attach directly to the home. In this case, you would need to use J-metal and some flashing and actually flash out around this opening. So cut the hole a little bit bigger than the ledger is. Then you can put your flashing around that and then go ahead and attach your ledger to the home directly to the framing of the home. That's how we would handle vinyl or aluminum siding.